Hey everyone, so let's talk about turning a simple idea into a truly beautiful AI photo. Decoding that magic step between typing a prompt and getting back something, well, something that looks like actual art.
We have all been there, right? You type in what you think is a great idea, you hit generate, and what you get back is fine. It's technically what you asked for, but it's just so generic. It's missing that spark, that soul.
I mean, just look at this difference. On the left, you get a couple. Okay, but on the right, you get a photo with a whole mood and a story. And that jump in quality, it's not magic. It's just having a better recipe, a better set of instructions for the AI.
And that's exactly what this is all about. The secret isn't just dumping a bunch of random words into the prompt. No, it's about structure. It's about having a blueprint that you can use every single time to get stunning results. And today, we're going to walk through that exact blueprint.
So, first things first. Before we build our solution, let's really dig into why those basic prompts just fall flat. We need to start thinking less like someone typing words and more like an art director guiding the AI.
All right, let's get into the good stuff. It turns out that pretty much every incredible AI image you see is built on a prompt that has 4 key things in it. These are the core ingredients of our blueprint.
And here they are. Number 1, subject and emotion. 2, setting and atmosphere. 3, artistic style. And finally, number 4, technical details. Seriously, think of this as your new checklist. If you hit all 4 of these, you're going to create something amazing.
So let's start with subject and emotion. This is where you go way beyond just a man or a woman. Who are these people? What do they look like? But more importantly, what are they feeling? What's the connection between them? This is how you give your image a real human heart.
This is a perfect example. Look how specific it is. Their age, their hair, the genuine smile, the action of looking into each other's eyes. That one sentence gives the AI a whole story to work with. It's not just 2 random people anymore.
Okay, next up, setting and atmosphere. This is where you build the world. You're setting the stage. And honestly, the environment is one of the most powerful ways to control the whole mood and aesthetic of your picture.
I love these examples because you can instantly picture them, right? Parisian cafe at sunset just feels romantic. Autumnal forest with soft mist feels quiet, maybe a little mysterious. See? The setting is the mood.
Ingredient number 3 is artistic style. Now this is where you really get to play director. You're telling the AI how to create the image. Is it a photo? Is it a painting? Is it supposed to look like a frame from a movie? This is where you define the aesthetic.
These keywords are literally your paintbrushes. The phrase cinematic film still tells the AI to think about light and composition like a filmmaker. Oil painting style completely changes the texture. This is how you really control that final look.
And our final ingredient, technical photography details. Okay, think of this like having a pro photographer on speed dial. By using a few simple camera terms, you're telling your virtual photographer exactly how to shoot the scene to make it look professional and polished.
And the best part is, you don't need to be a photography genius. Just learning a couple of terms like bokeh background to get that nice blurry effect, or rim writing to get that beautiful glow around your subject. These simple commands make your images just pop. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so we have our 4 core ingredients. Now, let's put it all together. Let's see how this blueprint actually works when we're trying to build some really specific popular aesthetics.
So say we want something romantic and dreamy. We take our setting, a misty beach at sunrise. We add an artistic style, soft pastel color palette, and we throw in a technical detail like shallow depth of field to blur the background. You see how each piece works together to build that one specific dreamy vibe?
What about cozy and intimate? Well, we pull in cozy elements for the setting, like a fireplace. We dial in a warm amber glow for the artistic style. And for our technical detail, a close-up shot that brings you right there with them. You can almost feel the warmth.
And this table just lays it out so clearly. Look at the difference. For adventurous, you're using epic settings, bold colors, and wide-angle shots. For minimalist, the setting is simple, the colors are muted, and the composition is clean. It's amazing how swapping out those core ingredients creates entirely different worlds. And if you want to get that vintage feel, oh, it is all about the details. The setting has to be specific, like a 1950s diner. The subject details, retro outfits, and the artistic style is key.
warm sepia tones, and that classic film grain. You have to give the AI those exact clues to take it back in time.
Okay, you've got the blueprint. You know the 4 ingredients. Now let's talk about a couple of pro-level tricks to really polish your images and take them from good to absolutely fantastic.
There are a few ways to level up, for sure, but I want to focus on one of my absolute favorites and one of the most powerful tools you have, the negative prompt. This is such a game changer. It's so simple. Instead of only telling the AI what you want it to create, you also give it a list of things you want it to avoid. It's one of the best ways to clean up all those weird little AI mistakes.
And this is exactly how you'd use it. You add a little section for things you don't want, and you list out the common problems, deformed hands, blurry images, and also styles you don't like oversaturated. You're basically just helping the AI steer clear of the bad stuff, which makes the final picture so much better.
So there you have it, the artist's blueprint. It's not magic, it's just a recipe. And now it's all yours. The only question left is, what world are you going to create first? Have fun.